Well, we are known as a Rohingya internationally, and we have been there since 8th century ago in Arakan.
8th century?
Yes, 8th century, yes.
Means 800 years?
Yes.
More than 800 years?
Yes, yes. So we have been, living together with local Buddhists, Rakhine, in peacefully long back, So it was actually, independent kingdom. Arakan was an independent kingdom. Before the name Arakan, it was known as a Rohang. So that's why we are known as a Rohingya, the people of the Rohingya.
Oh.
The people of the Rohang land.
That's the reason it's known as Rohingya.
Yeah. Yes. The people of the Rohingya, the Rohang land.
Mm-hmm.
So, in this land was very prosperous land. Muslims was, in the main, in the armies, in the, education sides. And the king, sometime it was Muslims king ruled the Arakan state, Arakan kingdoms. And sometime it was ruled by Rakhine, king.
Non-Muslims?
Not Muslims. Mm-hmm. So it was both sides involved as a king,
right.
in that independent kingdom.
Mm-hmm.
So until, it was, under the British rules and it annexed with the Burma country. So after that, we got independence and we got full rights in the democratic times until 1962. And we were known as a, Rohingya. And it was recorded in the Burma Encyclopedia.
So you got independence in 1962?
1948.
1948?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. After 1948, it was full democratic country. Mm-hmm. And we were recognized as a Rohingya. And it was recorded in the Burma Encyclopedia, as well as in the, the school books as well. And there was program, our news was broadcast in our own language, in Burma Broadcasting Service, which is a government-controlled only broadcasting service. So it was until 1962. So we were actually enjoying full human rights, and we were enjoying all our the
basic rights.
Basic rights, actually. Mm-hmm. So after that, the country was, ruled by the military rulers in 1962 by Ne Win government. And from that onwards, so they were making a systematic programs to make ethnic cleansing, So our rights were, limited since then.
So under the name of ethnic cleansing, or just there was an excuse?
So of course, we can say it is ethnic cleansing because we understand that, from that onward, they are putting new plans for us. They are not allowing to issue our card, even though at the time of democratic times, everybody was given by going by village to village, the ID card, national ID card. So everybody was having a national ID card. After this, democratic period, they say, okay, we're not going to issue any national ID card.
When did they stop this national identity card?
So they stopped after 1962, yes.
After 1962, they stopped giving?
Yes. Actually, I got my nationality card in 1970 with a very, difficult, they give us a very difficult time, actually. So after 1970, you can say, nobody was able to get, So from that onward, they put plan, to drag away the Muslims out of the country. First program was, dragon operations. As you know, dragon means to drag away the peoples.
Yep.
So in that time, we got about 250,000 people, left the country. And
when was it?
1978.
1978.
Yes.
For the dragon operation they started.
Dragon operation was, implemented, and a lot of people have to leave the country.